Alright guys, we have here the Airline leather strap vintage cream guitar strap. Just want to give a quick look at the product here. If you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. High quality, great looking strap. Let's go ahead and remove the elastic band so you guys can see the products in greater detail. As you can see here. Open that up for you guys. From the Airline brand. Nice smooth strap. That's one end. That's the other end. As you can see here, it says Airline. So no doubt if you're interested in this, great quality, great quality. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.